This two-in-one baby jumper and swing gives parents a single piece of gear that adapts easily as their child grows from early bouncing to more relaxed swinging. The swing seat uses a cotton canvas body with soft cushions, smooth wooden accents, and a secure adjustable belt, so babies stay comfortable and well supported during use. In jumper mode, the breathable interior fabric, broad shoulder straps, and carefully shaped crotch area are designed to keep little legs in a healthier position while they bounce. The height can be adjusted to match different stages and sizes, which helps maintain a better posture and keeps the motion feeling natural as babies get taller. Because the freestanding frame works both indoors and outdoors, it is handy for keeping a curious baby happily occupied while parents tackle chores or enjoy playtime together. Assembly is straightforward, and the folding stand makes it simple to move between rooms or store away when not needed, which is especially helpful in smaller homes.